Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a hearty soup. It is called corn chowder. For our ingredients, we have bacon, butter, we have onions, all-purpose flour, we have clove garlic. You could either use 5 cups of water or chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever you decide to use. We have corn, red potatoes, dry thyme, smoked paprika, salt and pepper for taste, and a cup of half and half or heavy cream, and a handful of chopped fresh chives. Now you want to slice your corn kernels off the cob and set aside. You want to take each ear of your corn and hold it over the bowl. You could either use the back of the knife or the knife, and you want to scrape down. You want to cut the corn off the cob. So here I am trying to do it with the back of the knife and it is not getting it, so I just decided to cut the corn off. To me, that was much easier. You want to cook your bacon pieces in a large pot, like a Dutch oven, over medium heat. You want to cook about 5 to 8 minutes, or until the bacon is crisp. You want to remove your bacon and set it aside. You want to remove the bacon grease from your pot, and you want to reserve about a tablespoon of grease in the pot. You want to add your butter and melt it over medium heat. You want to add your diced onions and cook for about 5 minutes or until soft and translucent. Then you want to add in your garlic and your flour, and you want to cook that for about a minute. While whisking, pour in your water or your broth. And you want to increase the heat to medium high. You want to add in your corn. You want to add your potatoes, your thyme, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper. You want to stir and bring to a low boil. Then you want to reduce your heat to medium-low and simmer. This is our paprika, salt and pepper, thyme, and I did add some chicken bouillon. You want to simmer and stir every so often for about 15 to 20 minutes until your potatoes are fork tender. You could use an immersed blender or a blender. You want to take out about 3 cups of your soup and add it to the blender and blend until smooth. You want to stir that back into the soup. You want to add your half and half or your heavy cream. And you want to stir that in. We have made homemade corn chowder. You can sprinkle the remaining chives and cook bacon on the top if you desire. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.